No real questions. I think it was just the number that you put in. You asked them to put in 1 to 5. So we've got quite a few folks that are in the 1-2 area where they're not as comfortable with tracking. So I think this will be a good conversation.
The number's good. Yeah. That's good. We want to help everybody get that number. And then when we go back to just, hey, pay attention to the numbers out there, the small business numbers, the number of folks. This is recent, but just take a look at the number of companies with small business with employees, right? 20 or less, right? There's some larger companies, and you start getting into the 100 to 500 or more, you're definitely probably going to knock on their door, and a broker is going to answer that door for you.
Yes. Well, and they're also in that set cycle, so you don't have as much control as to pulling that business in sooner. So
yeah, because they probably just finished open enrollment, right? For one state, and maybe you have a chance next year, but they may tell you to come back in July or come back in June when we're looking at benefits. So we don't know what's going to happen between that time frame. So this is how you afford to feed your family and eat, right? Throughout the year.
Well, yeah, and those are actually great ones also too, because how many referrals have I gotten from them for other small companies, smaller businesses that they know, whether it's a business plan or a group? They're very tightly connected in their community, and so you do a good job with 1 or 2 of those, they'll lead you to more for sure.
Exactly.